Oke, ini presentasi yang ke-11 menjelaskan tentang manage computing securely, safely, and at scale. Oke, next. Computer security risk. Computer security risk is any event or action that causes a loss of or damage to computer hardware, software, data, information, or processing capability. Cyberism is a online or internet basic illegal act. Hack. Oke, next. Ini contoh-contohnya computer security risk. Oke, next. Internet and network attacks. Information transmitted over network has a higher risk of security risk than information of can on organization's premise. An online security service is a website that allows your computer to check for internet and email vulnerabilities. Okay, next. Internet and network attack. Computer virus affect a computer negatively by altering the way the computer works. Worm copies itself rapidly using up resources and possible shutting down the computer or network. Trojan horse, a malicious program that hinders with him or looks like a legitimate program. Rootkit, program that hides in a computer and allows someone from a remote location to take full control. Oke, next. Ini contohnya video attack of the mobile virus. Oke, langsung. Internet and network attack. An infected computer has on or more of the following systems. Dan ini gambarnya. Internet and network attack. Ini contoh gambarnya. Oke, next. Internet and network attacks. Intrusion detection software. Analysis all network traffic. Assesses system vulnerabilities. Identifies any unauthorized intrusions. Notifies network administrator of suspicious behavior, partners, or system breach. Honeypot, vulnerable computer that is set up to attempt an intruder to break into it. Unattended trust is access and use. Organization takes several measures to help prevent unauthorized access and use. Available use policy disable file and printer serving firewalls intrusion detection software. Okay, next. Unauthorized access and use. A possessed object is any item that your mouse carry to gain access to a computer or computer facility. Often are used in combination with a personal identification number PIN. A biometric device authenticates a person identity by extracting a personal characteristic into a digital code that is converted with a digital code in a computer. Okay, next. Unauthorized access and use. Digital forensics is the covert collection and analysis of events on the computer and network. Many areas use digital forensics. Law enforcement, criminal prosecutor, military intelligence, insurance agencies, information security department. Okay, next. Hardware that and vandalism. Hardware that is the of Starling computer equipment. Hardware vandalism is the act of damaging or destroying computer equipment. Okay, next. Hardware that and vandalism to help reduce the occurrences of that confinements and school use a variety of security measures. Partial access control, alarm system, settable to lock equipment, real-time location system, password, persistent object, and biometric. Okay, next. Software debt. Software debt occurs when someone steals software media, intentionally areas program, illegally copies a program, illegally registers and or activates a program. Okay, next. Software debt. A single user license argument typically contains the following condition. Permitted to terdiri dari install the software on one computer, make or copy of the software, remove the software from your computer before giving it away or selling it. Not permit to install the software on a network, give copies to friends or colleagues which continue to use the software, export the software, rent or place the software. Okay, next. Software debt. Copying, loaning, borrowing, renting, or distributing software can be a violation of copyright law. Some software regulates product activation of function fully. Okay, next. Information debt. Information debt occurs when someone steals personal or confidential information. Encryption is a progress of converting readable data to readable contracts to prevent outsourced access. Okay, next. Information desk, dan ini contohnya. Dari tempat satu ke tempat lain bisa berkomunikasi. Okay, next. Information that a digital signature is the encrypted code that a person, website, organization attached to an electronic message to verify the identity of the sender. Often used to assure that an impostor is not participating in internet transaction. Web browse and web sisters as encryption dances. Information lab, popular security techniques in school D. Digital artifacts, transfer layer security tells, security HTTP, VPN. Okay, next. System failure. A system failure is the program malfunction of a computer. A variety of factor and can lead to system failure in schooling. Again, hardware, natural disaster, electrical power problem, noise understrikes and over voltage, errors in computer program. Okay, next. System failure. Two ways to protect from system failure caused by electrical power virus in school soft protector and universal power supplies up. Okay, next. Backing up the ultimate backup. A backup is a duplicate of a file program or disk that can asset if the original is lost, damaged, or destroyed. To back up a build file means to make a copy of it. Offset. Okay, next. Wireless security, wireless access process additional security risks. About version of wireless network have no security protection. While driving allow individuals to detect wireless network was driving a vehicle through the area. Okay, next. Wireless security. In addition to simple some safeguards informed security of wireless network. A wireless access point should not break distance and SSID. Scan dashboard. SSID. Configure a web so that only certain devices can access it. User VA or WVA2 security standard. Okay, next. Health concern of computer as the widest rate of computer has lost to health concern. Refractive strain injury RSI, tendency, carpal tunnel syndrome, computer vision syndrome CVS. Okay, next. Health concern of computer as ergonomics is a affiliate skin set devoted to incorporating comfort, efficiency, and the safety info detection of aims in the workplace. Okay, next. Health concerns of computer as computer addiction or when the computer consumes someone's entry social life. Symptoms of user in school day. Prefer computer time. Average with the at computer. Instant stop computer accessibility. Irritable when not at the computer. Knowledge family and friend. Program at work or school. Okay, next. At his the security. Computer ethics are the moral guidelines that govern the use of computer and information system. Information assurance is a concern. Not in all information on the web is correct. Okay, next. Ethics and security. Intellectual property rights are the rights to which creators are entitled for their work. A coverage protects and the tribal from oppression, and its code of conduct is within guardian of the health determines whether a specific computer action is necessary or unnecessary. Okay, next is the security. Information privacy reflects to the risks of individuals and confines to deny or resist the collection and as of information about them. Hooks database store data online. It is important to safeguard your information. Okay, next. Ethics and security. When you fill out from the merchant that represents the from usually enter into a database. Many companies today allow people the choice whether they want the personal information distributed. Okay, next. Ethics the security. A cookie is a small text field the web server stores on your computer. Websites use cookies for a variety of reasons. Allow for personalization. Store a password. Assist with online shopping. Track how often users visit a site. Target advertisement. Okay, next. Ethics and security. How cookies work. Step 1. When you tap the web address a web agent browser window, the browser program scans your address. Dan ini contohnya. Ethics the security. Spam is the unsolicited email message or names group frosting. Email filtering block a mail message from the Discord anti-spam program. And to remove spam referral is request your inbox. Okay, next. Ethics and security. Phishing is a scam in which a fraudster sends an official looking email message that attempts to obtain your personal and financial information. Farming is a scam where a perpetrator attempts to obtain your personal and financial information via shopping. Okay, next. Ethics and security. The cornerstone of both Fifi has delayed experiment of Faradal and Steve left reading the storage and the restore of personal data. She figured on the fact for a listing of manager whose management lives converting Fifi. The fire credit reverting at limits the risks. Okay, next it is the security. Schooling social engineering is defined as gaining understood access or obtaining confidential information by tackling advantage of truth and naivety. Employee monitoring involves the use of computer to record and retrieve and evaluate use of a computer. Okay, next. Ethics security. Honest filtering is the progress of restricting access to created material on the web. Many businesses contact filtering internet content rating association IRSA. Web printing software restricts access to specific websites. Okay, next. Summary. Potential computer risks and safeguards. Workplace security risks and safeguards. Computer-related health is infections and ethical issues surrounding information accuracy, intellectual property rights, codes of conduct, grand computing, and information freaky. Okay, next. Oke, tadi presentasi yang ke-11. Kita akan bertemu lagi di presentasi berikutnya. Bye.